Good morning, everyone. We continue learning Russian alphabet. We already know 6 simple vowels: A, O, U, I, Y, E. Today we will learn consonant sounds: D, and M. If you have Russian keyboard, you probably see different D. It looks like this. As for me, I usually write this D if I need to write something by hand. Also, we have a cursive font in Russian. We write D like this. The big D looks like this, and the small one looks like this. The letter M you already saw in English, so it's not a new one for you. Cursive M looks like this, and small one this. Let's learn how house will be in Russian. D, O, M. Dom. Dom. I said D with English accent first time. Let's try to write cursive version of this word. Cursive version of D looks like English D, similar. And O here is stressed. I wanna try to write cursive version once again because I'm curious, can I write all the letters at once? Well, something like that. But when I write fast, I usually write like this. The plural form of dom is дома. Дома. And the A here is stressed. O is not stressed, so we pronounce it like da ma. Дома. One house. Dom. And several houses. Дома. D can have two different sounds. It can be hard, d, like in dom, and d can be soft, can have soft sound. D. For example, in word audio. It's English audio. If you see E after D, it means that D always will be soft here. Audio. Let's look at another example. Disc. Disc. So they here also soft. Disc. If it were hard, we would say disc. In English word disc, we really pronounce D a little bit harder than in Russian word.